How's it going, everybody? Coming to you with a really fun special video, and that's because I'm going to be unboxing a very special, very expensive knife that I have wanted for a long time. So EDC today is my Benchmade Stimulus, and we're going to go ahead and get into this package. I don't even want to spend too much time talking about what it is, because quite frankly, I want it to be... you're going to see the video title anyways, but you know, let's just pretend like you don't know what I'm opening up here. Okay. That's right. Reeve knives. I got myself a large Sebenza 31. Now, I've owned a number of knockoff Chris Reeves over the years, and I've handled a lot of authentic Chris Reeves, but I've never actually owned my own Chris Reeve knife, my own authentic Chris Reeve knife. And I will say, it is a beaut. It is an absolutely phenomenally built knife. The smoothness of it can't be undersold. But I was told you can't flick a Sebenza, really, and it seems perfectly flickable to me. And now I know that if you do it too hard, you can void your warranty with Chris Reeve. But man... look at that absolute beauty of a knife. My first, truly high-end production knife. I've had a couple of customs that I just got, by happenstance, but this is, this thing is beautiful. Initial impressions are... don't hate me, Sebenza guys. Don't hate me, Chris Reeve guys. Initial impressions are that it feels like an amazing quality knife, but it doesn't seem like head and shoulders over everything else on the market. In terms of quality, it feels really nice, but I haven't felt anything yet that makes me think, oh yeah, this is just better than everything else available. But I can say that I'm not disappointed with what I spent on it. I'm not disappointed for how much I paid. It feels worth the money to me. So yeah, really quick unboxing video. Probably kind of boring because my energy levels are very low. I'm about to have to go to work and I'm not excited about it. But beautiful knife. Definitely going to get some use on it and give you guys a full tabletop review. That'll be fun for the budget channel, don't you think? All right. Quick look around everything, yeah. And I know it's got a card, the birthday card in there and everything. But all right. Hope you guys enjoyed this little unboxing.